God, this is hilarious.
Ayla, you're silly.
Yes, Ayla, that's you on the TV.
Ayla.
Oh.
That's you, Ayla.
Where's they gone?
Oh, that didn't help.
Where's the birdies gone? They come back again.
It looks like Ayla's just watching it right now.
She's following your movement. Let's look up when she went up on the video.
Oh, God. Who are they? I have a feeling this is going to keep her amused for hours. Ayla.
Ayla is just like, who is that cat? Why the birdie there?
Ayla.
Get the birdies, Ayla. You like the birdies? Get the birdies. The birdies on the screen.
Yeah, she's just, oh, hang on, no, she's going to go and try and get that one.
You like that, Ayla?
Ayla.
Ayla is just more amazed than anything, I think. You want to tap it? Huh? Hey, birdie.
That's enough birdies, Ayla.